Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain something many creators are confused about, which is why CapCut Pro is suddenly free for many users. Some people don't even know this free access exists yet. So I'm going to show you how to know if you already have it or how to activate it if you don't. A few weeks ago, I signed in into CapCut and without paying, without starting a trial, CapCut Pro feature unlocked itself automatically. I was surprised. In fact, I was confused at a point. So I asked a few questions among friends and some of them were confused as well. Not until I checked my CapCut notification and I saw a couple of messages. That was when I realized what was going on. When I checked my CapCut profile, it showed me that I have a pro access and when it will expire. So I was surprised. At first, I thought it is the 30 days free trial I mistakenly signed in for. So when I made my research, I discovered that this feature is actually rolling out to many users across Africa and some Asian countries. I discovered that CapCut is running a quiet regional promotion. They are giving creators in countries like Nigeria, India, Indonesia and others a free Pro Lite access package. This includes Pro editing tools, premium effects, Pro transitions and no watermarks. However, some heavy AI features are still locked. Another thing I would like to emphasize more on is that it's not a free trial. It's simply a free promotional access that renews from month to month. The only thing is that it may disappear anytime when the promo ends. So now let me show you how to know if you are part of the free access program. All you just have to do is to go to your CapCut. Once you open CapCut, usually whenever you open CapCut, it will take you to the edit tab, which is here. So you will see the various tabs here. You will see edit, you will see templates, you will see projects, and you will see me. So on the edit tab at the top left corner, you will see Pro. Once you see this, it means you are already on the Pro Lite feature. If you didn't pay for any Pro feature at all, it means you're already on the Pro features. But you can also go further to verify if you truly are on the Pro Lite feature by going to your profile. All you just have to do is to click on me. So below here, like I said, you will see edit, you will see template, you will see project, and you will see me. So all you just have to do is to click on me. So it will take you to your profile, allow it to load, and you will see the pro feature after your username. Once you see this, you can just click on it. Click on it. Now you will see the expiry date of the Pro Lite feature here. It says, for my own now, it says the 12th of December 2025. So now initially it was the 12th of November. So it now renewed itself. That was why I was now curious to know what was actually going on, because I know I didn't sign up for any trial, because I was expecting it to just end. So but now it renewed itself. That was what pushed me to make research and inquire that this is what is actually going on. So if you check yours and it has this expiry date, then congratulations, you already have the Pro Lite feature. So now if you do not have this access, if you can't see this Pro feature on your own or this expiry date showing that it has been activated, it may be that you have not signed in. So all you just have to do is to go to your CapCut, open it, and you will be seeing something like this. When you go to your me, this is what you will be seeing. So all you just have to do is to click on sign in and sign in with whatever option you want to sign in. You can sign in with Google, TikTok, or Facebook. So depending on what you want to sign in with. So once you sign in, exit the app and reopen CapCut again. The Pro feature will be activated automatically. But if not, you can just wait for 24 to 48 hours. So, but most times the Pro feature triggers automatically. So immediately you sign in, it can be activated automatically. But if it doesn't, you can just be patient and wait while the Pro feature rolls in. Like I mentioned earlier, apart from heavy AI features like AI video, AI image generator, this feature actually gives you access to other Pro features like Pro transitions, Pro filters for clean cinematic looks, Pro text templates, Pro effects and overlays, and higher quality exports like the 1080p and 2K, 4K, which are usually limited for the normal CapCut version. So if you have only been making use of the basic feature of CapCut, this is the right time to upgrade your content without paying anything. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more editing tips.